Hello and welcome back to Sharp Skill. In today's tutorial, I'm gonna show you how to make a hero section responsive so that it looks better on all of the devices, either tablet, desktop or mobile view. If you did not watch the part 1, you can view this tutorial. Link is given in the description and that video is posted on my channel. In this tutorial, we will create this hero section responsive. So let's do that. Log into your dashboard and go to your Elementor, and from here click on responsive mode, and that's how our hero section looks like on desktop. Let's see how it looks like on tablet view. So it looks like that, and in today's tutorial we will adjust the hero section. So for that, and for tablet view I do not want is font size like 70 for tablet, 47 or I think 50 is okay. And go to the advanced tab, and I need padding here. Unlink this one because I need only top padding. Also at the left and right. And I need this section here at the top of it. Go to the inner section, go to the advanced tab, and unlink this one and give it a negative margin of 40, like that. Or I think instead of 40, 70 looks better. Increase the padding here as 70. Also adjust your editor. Give it a padding, and at the top instead of 40, 20 is okay, and at the bottom also 20. Now style this button, and I think it's look better. So now I do not want that this border touch this here. So for that, go to your this section, this inner section column, click on this icon and go to the advanced tab and give it a left right margin. Click on update, and preview how it looks like now. Click on inspect, and from here click here on toggle device toolbar, and that's how our hero section looks like. And that's how it looks like on tablet. And look at this image, it's not looking good. Or instead of that, minimize it and preview how it looks like. That's the mobile view. We will adjust it later. And that's the tablet view. That's the tablet view, and from here it's the desktop view. Okay, so now adjust them. Go to the Elementor and first of all give it increase its size, font size. Go to the style tab in typography. Instead of 15, give it a font size like 60. Give it a color so that it would be visible, and from here I want to give it weight like 500, and this section is okay, but I want to give it a font size like 45. Button is fine, and but image is not. Click on it, and for the alignment on tablet it would be at the right side. Now go to the style tab and adjust its width like that, and click on update. And go to your site, refresh the page. Now our next step is like I want this header, this column like 70, and this image column is like 30. Do not worry, it's not showing like beside of this column in Elementor, but it would be like this column, like when we go to our website, and that's how it looks like on the tablet view. Just go to the to your image and give it a width for tablet like 70, and height is like 270. Then I give it a radius for tablet view like 44, and it for desktop it would be like 444, and for tablet view I want this little round corner here, and I think this would be a little bit blurry, and instead of this color I need like little transparent. Then go to your advanced tab, and from here um, I give it a left margin for desktop, and you need to just give it a left margin like 0, just give it a 25 margin, because if it is not, then it would be let me show you. If 25 margin is not selected, click on update, then go to your site, and I'm gonna show you how it will looks like. Refresh the page, and that's how it will look like. I need a right margin here, so go to your editor and not 100 but 25, and click on update. Now refresh the page, and like that. But I think height would be like, I need to adjust its height, and instead of 70 I feels like it should be 80. Click on update, go to your site, refresh the page, and I think it's okay now. And here I need a padding at the bottom. Click here and go to the advanced tab, and I think margin, give it a bottom margin of 20. Click on update, go to your site, refresh the page, and you will see. Till here it is fine, and we just need to adjust this inner section for tablet view. Go to this section. First of all, go to the advanced tab and unlink, and go to this counter, and I want its font like instead of 65, 36 is okay, and I do not need too much margin or padding, so unlink and give it a like that, and at the bottom unlink this one like 40. What if I remove? So that's the difference. We want to save our time, so just copy and go to this counter and click on paste style. Do the same for the other two counter. So still it is showing at the in the next line, but I want it like here. So for that, go to your counter, and here give it a right padding like 30, copy and paste it to the other counter. Still no change, and I think first of all unlink and remove the right margin. Click on copy, and I do not need this border here, so go to the this counter, and in the style tab, not style, advanced tab, go to the border, and from here select border none. Update and see site and refresh the page and wait. So I need it like center. Click here and give it a instead of 40, no, not 40 but 30 and 30. Click on update, go to your site and refresh the page, and that's how it looks like on the tablet view. Now it's time to adjust for the mobile view. Now go to the mobile view, and first of all click on this section, but before that I think I should give it a font size like instead of 60, 40 is okay. And go to the advanced tab and see top padding is like 40. Now first of all unlink top padding 40, and bottom padding is would be like 20. And now go to the text editor, and before that give it a font size like 16 is okay. And go to the advanced tab and remove the extra padding here. Just give it a padding at the left and at the right side so that it would be like at the center. Go to this column and check for padding. So yeah, I think because of this one, so unlink, and but I think it's look better like that. And now adjust its font size, fancy text font size. Go to the style tab and instead of 45, 32 is okay. Now adjust this image button, and bottom margin is okay, but go to the style tab and adjust its width like that, and also adjust its font size. Typography is like nope, not that. And bold, let me see how black text would be looks like. Not good. And border radius, I think ground looks good. And image, go to the advanced tab and just remove the unlink, and so that it would be look like at the center. Now go to this section and remove this padding, unlink. Go to your first counter, unlink, just give it a top margin 40, and also at the bottom, no, not at the bottom, here it would be like 20, and padding at the left side 10. Just copy, but I think I need to adjust its font size. Instead of 36, 25 looks good. Copy. So still it is, they are not in one column because of this text. Now go to the style tab and adjust the title size like 14. Copy and paste. Still they are not looks good because of padding. Go to the advanced tab and let me see if 0 padding, instead of 0 it would be 5, and instead of 20, 12 is okay. Copy. You need to adjust them according to your desire, and they will take your time. Now adjust this divider shape. This shape divider is from the first section, so click on first section, go to the style tab, go to the shape divider, adjust its width for the tablet and for the mobile view. Height is like and go to the bottom and select from here bottom and adjust its width, but I want to adjust its height. Also remove the right border from here, go to this section, this counter, click on style tab and not at the style tab but advanced tab, and go to the border, and from here select its border from dash to none and click on update and see how it looks like for the mobile view. So that's how it looks like. So these are not at the center, so let's do that. Go to the this section column and vertical line middle and horizontal line is like center. Now these are okay. Now I want to give it a padding. Select this section and give it a bottom padding 40 and top padding is like 10. Click on update, go to your site, refresh the page, and we will see how it looks like now. Now that is okay, and image height is not look so good, so adjust him, and heading is like okay, font size, this text editor is also looks good, and this button, then our image and this section, how it looks like on the tablet. So that's how it looks like on tablet view, but these are not good. Go to this lab column and do the same so that they would be at the center, and remove the left padding and also from the here remove its padding, and I want to give it a bottom padding and also at the top 20, like that. Go to this counter and I just accidentally remove its padding, also give it a 16. Click on update, go to your site, refresh the page, and now it's look good. That's how it looks like on the desktop. You can also view by just going to here, click on inspect, and from here turn on this toggle device toolbar and you can check. That's how it looks like on 4K and in this laptop and in the tablet. image is not looking good, you can adjust your image and on the mobile view, and everything is now looks good. So if you found this tutorial helpful, please like and subscribe my YouTube channel, and thanks for watching. See you in the next exciting tutorial.